Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to cancel an order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So buyers cannot cancel before shipping. If you are the buyer and the seller has not shipped, then what you need to do is simply open up the app and select my purchases, then select pending orders. Then next is to select the order and then simply tap on cancel order. Then next is to choose a reason and confirm, and if the seller hasn't responded within 24 hours, Poshmark may auto cancel, and once the seller ships you cannot cancel, you will need to request a return instead. Then if you are the seller and the buyer requested a cancellation or the item is unavailable, simply go to the my sales option, then select sold. Then inside sold, select order, then simply select the order that you want to cancel and tap on cancel order. Then provide a reason like out of stock, damage, or etc., and buyer will be refunded automatically, and too many cancellations can hurt your seller rating as well. Third is automatic cancellations. Order not shipped within 3 business days can be automatically cancelled by the buyer, and refunds are processed automatically to the buyer's original payment method, typically within 1 to 3 business days depending on the payer provider. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.